Today, let us talk about the pulse of the earth and PEMF, rediscovering the energy that heals us. Introduction. Dear friends, have you ever noticed how refreshing it feels to walk barefoot on the grass, or how peaceful it becomes when you spend time in nature? That is not only psychological, it is electrical. Our body is designed to live in harmony with the Earth's natural magnetic pulse. But modern life has disconnected us from it. We live in concrete houses, high-rise buildings, and under constant exposure to artificial electromagnetic fields. The result is fatigue, poor sleep, inflammation, anxiety, and slower healing. Today, let's explore how reconnecting with the Earth's pulse through PEMF, pulsed electromagnetic field therapy, can restore health, balance, and vitality. 1. What is PEMF? PEMF stands for Pulsed Electromagnetic Field Therapy, a scientifically validated method that uses low-frequency magnetic fields, similar to the Earth's own, to recharge the body's cells. Every cell in our body works like a miniature battery, producing and using electrical energy to function. When these cells lose energy due to stress, poor diet, pollution, or lack of contact with natural frequencies, the body struggles to heal and function properly. PEMF therapy works by gently pulsing energy into the body's tissues, recharging cells, improving oxygen delivery, and enhancing cell communication, all leading to better repair, regeneration, and resilience. 2. The science behind PEMF. Boosts cellular energy, ATP. PEMF increases mitochondrial function, the power plants of our cells. Improves circulation. It dilates blood vessels, enhancing oxygen and nutrient delivery. Reduces inflammation by balancing ions across cell membranes and normalizing electrical activity. Accelerates healing, stimulates tissue repair, collagen synthesis, and regeneration. Balances the nervous system, reduces stress, and improves brainwave coherence. PEMF acts like a cellular charger, restoring vitality where it's lost. 3. PEMF and metabolic health. The core of wellness metabolism is the foundation of life. Every thought, heartbeat, movement, and hormone depends on cellular energy. When metabolism is low or disrupted, chronic diseases begin to appear. PEMF directly supports and restores metabolic balance, which can transform overall health. Let's explore this in simple terms. A. Cardiovascular health. PEMF improves microcirculation, the flow of blood through the smallest vessels. This enhances oxygen delivery to every organ and helps regulate blood pressure, reduce inflammation in arteries, improve heart muscle energy, support better cholesterol balance. Clinical studies show improved circulation and reduced fatigue in patients with cardiovascular disease after PEMF therapy. B. Muscular and skeletal health. PEMF reduces muscle soreness, strengthens tissue recovery, and enhances bone healing. It increases oxygen in the muscles, reduces lactic acid buildup, and accelerates the repair of microtears, making it excellent for rehabilitation and chronic pain relief. It's even used by NASA and Olympic athletes for muscle recovery and joint regeneration. C. Mental and emotional health. Our brain also runs on electrical signals, and PEMF gently synchronizes brainwave activity with natural frequencies. Benefits include calmer mood and reduced anxiety, improved sleep and stress resistance, enhanced focus and memory, better emotional stability. This is why PEMF is often described as a meditation for your cells. D. Hormonal and reproductive health. Hormones depend on both energy and circulation. By improving blood flow and restoring cellular communication, PEMF helps balance the endocrine system, supporting the thyroid, adrenal, and reproductive glands. It is beneficial in menstrual irregularities and PCOS, low energy and fatigue due to thyroid imbalance, hormonal mood changes, and menopausal symptoms. Male vitality and reproductive health through improved circulation and cellular repair. Chronic disease and inflammation. Most chronic diseases, like diabetes, arthritis, heart disease, cancer, and even depression, share one cause: inflammation and low cellular energy. PEMF addresses both at the root. It improves insulin sensitivity, enhances nutrient absorption, and helps regulate metabolism, assisting the body's natural healing system. By restoring the bioelectrical balance of cells, PEMF acts at the foundation of all healing. 4. Schumann. Resonance, the pulse of the earth. In 1952, scientist Winfried Otto Schumann discovered the Earth's natural electromagnetic frequency, around 7.83 Hz, known as the Schumann resonance. This frequency mirrors the human brain's alpha rhythm, the state of relaxation, creativity, and balance. It is literally the heartbeat of the planet. When we live disconnected from this natural frequency, in high-rise buildings, surrounded by Wi-Fi and artificial fields, our body loses rhythm. We develop fatigue, anxiety, poor immunity, and sleep issues. PEMF therapy recreates this lost connection, bathing our cells in the same natural frequency that sustains life on Earth. 5. NASA and astronauts' use of PEMF. In space, astronauts lose contact with the Earth's magnetic field. They quickly develop fatigue, bone loss, and poor sleep. NASA's solution? PEMF devices to recreate the Earth's magnetic environment. This restored their strength, sleep quality, and bone density, proving that humans need the Earth's magnetic pulse for health. 6. Modern deficiency of Earth's energy. We spend 90% of our time indoors. Buildings, shoes, and electromagnetic pollution block the Earth's natural fields. Our bodies become electron-deprived. Result: chronic fatigue, inflammation, stress, poor healing, and emotional imbalance. PEMF bridges this gap, bringing the Earth's missing pulse back into your home. 7. PEMF and bone healing. Pulsed electromagnetic field, PEMF therapy, promotes bone healing by stimulating cellular repair and regeneration at the molecular level. It enhances the activity of osteoblasts, bone-building cells, improves calcium ion binding, and increases blood flow and oxygenation to the affected area. By restoring the electrical potential across cell membranes, PEMF accelerates the natural healing process of fractures, reduces inflammation, and helps even in cases of delayed union or non-union fractures, making it a safe, non-invasive support for stronger, faster bone recovery. How to reconnect naturally. Even before using technology, we can reconnect to Earth's healing field by walking barefoot on grass or soil, grounding, spending time in sunlight, practicing deep breathing and meditation, sleeping without excess electronics nearby. Use PEMF therapy as a modern, enhanced form of natural grounding. Conclusion: restoring the pulse of life. Our ancestors lived in constant contact with the Earth, and their bodies thrived with energy, balance, and resilience. Today we have forgotten that the Earth itself is our natural healer. PEMF therapy is not magic. It is science harmonizing with nature. It restores the electrical vitality of our cells, improves metabolic balance, strengthens our heart and brain, balances hormones, and rekindles emotional peace. By embracing PEMF and reconnecting with the Earth's living pulse, we restore what modern life has taken away: the rhythm of health, vitality, and inner harmony. Invitation, friends. If you wish to experience this healing connection between science and nature, you are warmly invited to visit Holistic Wellness Foundation, IMFAL, where ancient wisdom meets modern energy healing. Here you can learn and experience PEMF therapy, energy balance, natural recovery, and holistic wellness programs designed to restore your health from the ground up, from the pulse of the Earth to the power within you. Thank you. Holistic Wellness Foundation. Healing beyond boundaries.